Because that's just a question that, why do we have a whole collection of grocery bags? Why? Hey Miss Ma'ams and Sirs, my name is Trinity Leah if you're new to the channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we have another black book. And if you don't know what the black book is where I have my tips and tricks and all the good all the good information that you need to know about your hair. So today, as you read in the title, it is a new hair mask of the month. And why am I holding this like it's the hair mask? For today, the hair mask is going to be the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen, grow, and restore treatment mask. This is actually going to be my first holy grail that I am giving to you guys. When I say this is my holy grail, when I first went to go natural, she was expensive when I was 15 years old, but now she's like, okay, I can save enough coin for that, because she works that good. When I said this, the whole line works good, but to really get your hair journey started, she's worth it, okay? Let's just jump into the video and let's get into it. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a texture shot of how my hair looked with no product in it. I just washed my hair, and as you can see, it is very frizzy, but it's not dry whatsoever because I just conditioned it. And I use my Aussie Moist, okay? When I say Aussie Moist okay, because it just works that good. But it did look a little dry, so but yes, the curls were still popping, even though they were little frizzy, and it's a little looking of a dry. And I also wanted to give you guys a length check so you can see how my hair looked in the beginning of the year. Now, I will be doing a beginning of the year length check, a middle of the year length check, and then the end of the year starting for the rest of my channel, because I want you guys to truly see how my hair journey is. I want to document how my hair journey is going. And yeah, so right now my hair is at the booby length. So, but I will be getting trims, and I will be giving myself a trim throughout the year. So who knows where it's going to be the next time I do a trim. Do another length check. But essentially right now it is at the booby length per. And so now let's get into the smell. On the bottle it says it has shea butter in it, peppermint, and keratin. The only thing that I smelled in that in this product, which is really crazy to me, because when I probably went through 5 bottles of these, probably even more, because this is my 6th year going natural. So I just don't remember. I just said 6 just to say 6. But I went through so many of these bottles, and it's really interesting because this is the actual first time that I've really just, did an actual review and see if it said what it was supposed to be, and the only thing that I could smell was the shea butter. I couldn't smell the peppermint, surprisingly. I couldn't smell the keratin, but honestly, I really don't know what keratin smells like. I had keratin treatments, but I don't know what it truly smells like. I never smelled it just plain. So the only thing that I could smell truly was the shea butter. Ain't no shade, ain't nothing wrong with it, But if you say it has everything in it, I would just expect you to, at least the peppermint. I don't know what the keratin smells like, but at least the peppermint, you know. The texture when I was actually running it through, well, even before I ran it through my hair, when I was just touching it and feeling it, it felt like a liquidy peanut butter. That's literally what it felt like. You know, peanut butter is thick, but when you add water in it, I've never tried it before, but I'm pretty sure it would feel exactly how this product felt. It was thick, but it was watery, and that's what I like. I like a nice little watery based product that is still creamy and is still going to do what it's supposed to do, you know? So the application. I've tried this in the shower and I've tried this out of the shower for the first time, which is for the video. And I definitely love it in the shower more, just because my hair is more wet and it's easier whenever I feel like a dry spot. I can just put my hair in it, the water, and you know, easy access. So with it being out of the shower, it still went on easily. I still had some slippage, but definitely for sure I like it when it just glides in there, and I know it does, like on a regular basis. So definitely if you use this product, I would suggest it to be in the shower because you just have easier slippage, and it's just easier to manage. Still has slippage outside of the shower when I would spray my hair, but it's just better and easier and slippy. It's more of a slip and slide in the shower, period. Also, I wanted to say, when my hair was in, like when I did my other side of my head, since it was wrapped up in a bun, for the most part, there was still water in there. And when I said that side of my hair, I didn't even need to add more water. It ran my hair. The product ran itself through my hair so much easier that way. So I would suggest just wetting your hair as much as possible so you can have easier slippage with the product. I also wanted to give you guys a texture shot to how my hair looked when I had product in it. And if I do say so myself, the curls were popping. I was giving curls for the girls, okay? So then I just applied more product on my edges to make sure they were covered and coated and and she was giving what she's supposed to have gave. So now it is time for the hooded dryer. And if you don't have a hooded dryer, now Miss Ma'am, if you don't have a hooded dryer, please go get one, because this, especially for my low porosity chicks. And low porosity chicks, I already told y'all in a video before and videos before, heat is our best friend, okay? Okay. Heat is our best friend. If you really want to make sure that product really just absorbs the hair, please go get a hooded dryer. So, but before you put the hooded dryer on, you're definitely going to use a plastic bag. Now, you can go and get a shower cap. You can go and buy you a little whatever. But what you really could do is go downstairs to your mama kitchen, your daddy kitchen, your Gma kitchen, and go and get a plastic bag, a plastic grocery bag from underneath the sink, because you know we collect them. I don't know why we collect them, but I guess it's for a time like these, okay? Because, honestly, that's a good question. Who started the trend on collecting grocery bags? I would like to look that up in Google. I would look that up in Google, because that's just a question that, why do we have a whole collection of grocery bags? Why? But it's okay, because we can use them for times like these, and they for the what? The free. Well, actually, you got to still buy your groceries, but then they still for free when you go down there. They come in handy. So put the plastic bag over your head, and then put the hooded dryer on, or when you sit in, whatever you call it, just make sure you put something on your hair so the product can stay in, the heat can stay in, and it can get to cooking. Now, child, when I took that bag off my head, when I touched my hair, when I unraveled my hair was so soft. And that is why she is my holy grail. That is why Shea Moisture, Strength, Grow, and Restore treatment. Masque is my holy grail of deep conditioners, okay? Because she makes my hair feels like that. She makes my hair moisturize. She makes my hair pop. She makes my hair soft. She gives what she was supposed to have gave, okay? Okay. And that's it. Like, literally, that's it. Like, that's it with the video. Like, that's it. When I rinsed it out, she was still soft. My sister came over that day, and she even said that my hair looked so soft, and it felt so soft. And just overall, she is just a beauty. Overall, she's a beauty. Overall, she's the love of my life. Yeah. But yes, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this review of the Jamaican black castor oil hair mask treatment really was very beneficial for you guys. And that's what I'm here for. I'm really just to hear and give you guys some information about these products as I spend my hard-earned coin, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video, comment on this video, subscribe, press that bell button down below. Just do it so you know each time that I post, okay? Okay. And I want to leave you guys with this. Your fears cannot go where you're headed. Peace out, guys.